Design images as chapters. Each frame advances narrative. Reuse motifs. Control pacing with color and crop. Photoshop becomes your storyboard engine. Break symmetry. Blend photography with abstract forms. Use displacement maps and light leaks. Create signatures no preset can copy. Photoshop becomes your playground. Originality becomes your competitive edge.